Informing you, this time round we focus on the security scare in Garissa County, where 6 national police reservists have been killed and 4 others injured in a dawn attack on their camp in Garissa County by a suspected Al-Shabaab militants. The heavily armed attackers struck early Sunday morning, overrunning the camp near the Kenya-Somalia border. Meanwhile, a Kenyan cargo plane crashed in Somalia last evening, killing all 5 Kenyans on board. The aircraft had just completed a supply mission for African Union forces before encountering mechanical difficulties. Ken Gashuhi reports.
Sunday morning at around 4:30 a.m., suspected Al-Shabaab militants launched a deadly assault on a National Police Reservist camp in Biamado, Garissa County, near the Kenya-Somali border. The National Police Service has stated that security operation to track down the attackers is underway, where 2 Al-Shabaab militants have been killed and another one seriously injured. The attack comes days after the U.S. Embassy in Kenya issued a security advisory warning its citizens against visiting counties bordering Somalia, including Garissa, due to increased acts of terrorism. In a separate incident, 5 Kenyans, including pilots and aircraft engineers, have died in a plane crash in Somalia. According to the Somali Civil Aviation Authority, the Kenyan cargo plane, a DHC-5D Buffalo Tail number 5YRBA, operated by Trident Aviation Limited, crashed in Jazira area 24 kilometers southwest of Mogadishu on Saturday at 5:43 p.m. Initial reports indicate that the aircraft developed mechanical issues while en route back to Mogadishu after delivering supplies to African Union forces in Dobli. Somali media reports also suggest that the plane had also experienced mechanical problems, which were resolved before departing Dobli. Bodies of the 5 victims were expected to be flown to Nairobi on Sunday. Ken Gashuhi, KTN.
Moving on, President William Ruto has maintained that he will continue making donations